Hi, my name is Jed, and I am thrilled to have the opportunity to share why I believe I am the best fit for the Facebook advertising position in your company. With over the 3 years of experience, I have honed my skills in utilizing Facebook advertising platform to create and manage successful campaigns that increase conversion rates and revenue for my clients. In fact, I was able to generate 1,000 to 1,500 leads daily with one of my clients with a time 17 ROAS. Through my experience, I have developed a skill set in data analysis and I can confidently gather and analyze data to make right decisions to drive successful campaign results. I have excellent communication skills that enables me to present the insights and data in a digestible way. Additionally, as a self-starter, I work exceptionally well in a fast-paced environment, prioritizing tasks and meeting the deadlines while also collaborating with other departments to make align all campaigns with overall marketing strategies. In my previous roles, I have previously managed effectively the campaign budget and allocated the resources to achieve optimal results. Furthermore, I provide regular reports on my campaign performance, ROI, and insights, enabling my client to inform them with the right decisions for their advertising budget. With my extensive experience and a passion for delivering exceptional outcomes, I am confident I would excel in this position. I am looking forward to having the opportunity to showcase my skills and contribute success to your company. Thank you.